another customer. What's up guys, Nick here, back with another video. Hope you guys are having an awesome day so far. Today I am up at the Mulholland Snake once again. Just got here a moment ago. I drove by and saw some pretty cool bikes already, so I think we'll capture some cool images today. I will be talking about something that I've been getting a lot of questions about, which is whether or not I already have a motorcycle. So I'll get into that in just a little bit, but let's go ahead and check out what we got at the Mulholland Snake here and go from there. All right, let's go. Looks like someone's already being ridden up. I'm assuming either speeding or no front plate. Something just happened. The cops are on their way down, I think. Oh, yep. So this is the current situation. I got a ride down to the bottom of the Snake here and met up with some riders to shoot. There's not a lot going on up there, so I'm down here. We're gonna hit some couple turns and see what we can make out of this little edit here. Should be good. Alright, I am currently outside my house because I forgot to turn on the audio when I was filming this section at the Snake. So I just want to quickly go into the question that I've been receiving a lot lately, which is understandable, and that's whether or not I have a motorcycle and if I'm going to be buying a motorcycle. And the answer is yes, I am buying a motorcycle, and no, I don't have a motorcycle just yet. I know what I'm going to buy, but I'm not going to tell you yet. You're going to have to find out. But the reason why I haven't purchased a motorcycle yet is because I told myself that I would purchase a motorcycle when I made money from this channel, enough money to purchase a motorcycle. Now, you're probably thinking, wow, this guy's so shallow, and no, I am creating content on the channel because I love creating content. The money that you can make from YouTube is just a byproduct from the content that you're creating, and that's something that I really want to make sure it stays with me, is that I'm not doing this for the money. I'm doing this because I love creating content and that I love challenging myself to try to create new things, meet new people, travel, all that fun stuff. You know, that's all part of it. And so that's the main reason why I haven't bought a motorcycle yet, is because I just don't have the money yet. I get a lot of hate for it sometimes because I run a motorcycle channel and I don't have a motorcycle yet, but the thing is that I'm just a filmer. I just love creating what I'm doing. You know, the whole motorcycle riding experience is gonna come sometime in the future. I'm not there yet. I'm just still loving the content that I'm creating. So that's the main reason why I haven't purchased anything yet. But stay tuned, it is coming. I'm very excited. I have been riding, I have my motorcycle license, I've been messing around riding different people's bikes and all that fun stuff. But if you have an idea of what you think I'm gonna buy, let me know down below in the comments, and if you have any other questions, let me know down below in the comments. I'll be sure to look at them. All right, let's get back to the video. Cool. My focus is off. I'm very thirsty, so I'm gonna go to the gas station, pick up some cold Gatorade, and head home and start the editing process. But like I said, that's pretty much it for today. I do want to mention that I did start a new Instagram. I mentioned it in the last video as well, and it's basically a Instagram that's dedicated to your guys' photos. So it's a community-wide motorcycle page where I find and you guys send me basically your photos. So if you guys use the hashtag BikerGrid and then tag me at BikerGrid, I'll be able to see your photo, and if I like it and I think it fits the page, I'll throw it up on my Instagram and go from there. But other than that, guys, make sure you guys follow me on my personal Instagram at Nick Vanderbilt, and then the community-wide page, which is at BikerGrid, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.